Alright, I think it's recording. Alright, just Deer Fan 110. Just got some new models in, besides this 340. Got this and this one today. 323 and the 340, my Tonkin replicas. This is a parts model. They're great models, as you can tell. I don't know if there's much of a review on them. I just figured I'd pop up something real quick. But yeah, it's a great model. I'm gonna get another one, probably from Ben Itachi, and build up a collection of 320s and 323s. But here's the parts 340 I got. It's in okay condition, I guess you'd say. But I'm using it for parts anyway. I used a bucket for like a 330 or something. But move that out of the way. But here's my good 330 or 340 by Tonkin replicas. It's a great model. I highly recommend it if you can still get it. I'm pretty sure you can still get it. And when I got mine, I got for like 69 bucks. It was on sale. But it's a great model. You just gotta watch out for the track links breaking. That's why I bought this parts one. The track links were already broken, but there's still some good links. I actually got one broken right in here, but it's still hanging on, so when it falls apart, I'll just change the link. Got a whole bag of them, two sides, so that's that. With this 340, what I did is I put a fixed thumb on it from Jason Nickel. I have it right here, but as you can tell, it broke. But I mean, it still goes on. I just haven't had a chance to fix it. I have to cut that ear off and put a new one on. But I'll put it on the model. Where's my pins? Let me go grab my pins real quick. I'll actually put this on the model. I'll show you how great it is. It's really great. Alright, that's what it looks like. Adjust you guys down a little bit. But that's what the 340 looks like. It goes like that. Opens that wide. Or else. And it looks pretty good in my opinion. I painted it yellow. I should have probably painted it black, but I painted it yellow to try to like prove out some of the detail, but it didn't quite work, so but it's actually really nice though. Jason Nickel makes some nice models, so I think I'm gonna call it a wrap. And thanks to, who was it, SD something on Instagram. Well, You can comment, rate, subscribe, and hope to put up more videos. And one last shot of the 323. There you go. I'm gonna do a the next one I get, I'm gonna put a thumb on it, so that'll look good. But thanks and have a nice day. This will be uploaded tonight probably, so thanks and bye.